What is happening, everybody, and welcome back, Terra Luna Classic holders. So, as usual, and I was telling you for a while, throughout this consolidation and downward pressure in the price of Terra Luna Classic, when are the whales gonna come in and wake up? And this is, to me, as a Terra Luna Classic holder, it is good to know what is the level that they're gonna say, you know what, let's go ahead and start pitching, and once again I'm buying in once again. And well, here it is. And that is the thing that I don't like, but it's just classic whale behavior. When you least expect, at the end of yesterday, beginning of today, boom. So I'm making this video close to noon today, Friday, and guess what's gonna happen with the price? More than likely, it's gonna come down. As I told you here, as I told you here, and as I've been telling you every single time we have a pump. Right now, this is gonna be, according to my analysis, pump number 7, and from the almost 200% we had right about at the end of June, now we have 30% according to this graph. And wow, I mean, you can clearly see, guys, here at the bottom, the volume, completely different change in pace, right? We're coming down in the arrow side, but it is a painful downward side that you just see the price go down, 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 and there's nothing. And even we have another crash here, consolidation, and now when you least expect, boom. Now, is this happening because just whales decided to wake up? Well, yes. And what's happening with the price of Bitcoin, with the price of Ethereum, with the price of equities right now? Apple, S&P 500, NASDAQ, they're coming up. We had this report a couple days ago. Then it was very bad. It was a very bad report for the entire ecosystem here at the United States. Inflation coming up, CPI coming up, the highest in the last 40 years. What happens with all the market? Comes up. Buy the rumor, sell the news. But in this case, it worked the other way around, where as we were heading into this much expected higher CPI, everything was crashing. Once we got it, everything's coming up. The funny thing is going to be to see how the price is going to end up for the weekend, because you and I know how the weekend prices really fluctuate and the volatility is really high. But as far as Terra Luna Classic, the price is coming up, which is really good, at a price of 301 at this time. So we're back at 301. Isn't that exciting? So go ahead and smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel and turn on those notification bells for more updates like this one. Super cool. Hey, come on, it's Friday. Let's go ahead and enjoy it. And by the way, let's go ahead and try to solve this mystery. Have you seen this from dogecoin? I mean, it's not that we care too much, right? 40 minutes ago, he posted this picture. Kind of looks something like maybe a star, the moon, the sun, Luna, probably, right? Something rising or so. Big news, probably. I mean, you cannot comment because he blocked the comments. Classic move when you don't want the community to tell you what's going on and what's happening with the project. Really not a bad mood, but people already retweeted it. And, you know, some of the community are reacting to this. So tell me in the comments, what do you think is this? It's going to be pretty fun, right? From Duco and Terra Luna 2.0, the two of them coming up, which is really nice. The burns are doing well. A couple of millions burned today, which is pretty nice. You know, the 15th, millions and millions and millions. I told you yesterday how pretty, I mean, 15 million burned, Terra Luna Classic, not bad. I mean, that helps in a way to all of these massive pumps that we have, 30% in the last, 10 hours? That's not bad at all, guys. Just kind of looking at how things are moving right now. Well, I'm expecting from previous experience and just the way that things are working right now, with Terra Luna Classic, I'm expecting the price to come down and possibly reach once again 409. And then I will really like to see this Fibonacci level at 61% retracement be some type of a support and reject the price and keep moving forward like this, right? Like about this. I mean, if we come to 3012, that'll be amazing. That will tell me that not only us, the holders, but whales are really want to have a play in this, as we're seeing right now, because now from 4 hours, let's go ahead and move to the 1 hour and take a look at what really is happening. Immediately, we see, guys, that this is coordinated. This is people that we want to just sell off and get out and make some money before the week ends. That's just what it is. There's no other way to say it. A lot of people, of course, say that Terra Luna is dead and Terra Luna has no future. I respect that, in my opinion, because I have some type of money here. I would love to see it come back. Now, I saw a video from other creators saying that it's going to go to the all-time high price of $120 or $1 tomorrow or so. Look, believe what you want. At the end of the day, in this channel, I'm going to tell it to you like it is. I'm going to tell it to you the way I feel it's educative and realistic, because $1 is not going to happen. Like, $1 is not going to happen with this circulating supply. Once we have Terra Luna Classic already had an AMA, had a meeting, or people are, you know, finding questions and answers, asking questions, and CoinIn is the only exchange, as of we know now, more coming, that has the 1.2 tax burn applied. We need bigger fish in the sea, right? That to add this proposal. At that point, first reduce the first trillion in the circulating supply. At that point, that's when we're gonna start talking about, hey, yes, of course we can have a more than 301, but at this time, I think telling people that we're gonna go back to $1. I mean, I'm more satisfied or at peace, in my opinion, with 1 cent. With 1 cent, I'm okay, like in the future, by the time we hit the next bull run. But $1 plus, no, to me, that's just not possible right now. It's saying that Shiba Inu is gonna go to like $1 too, right? And Shiba Inu has more supply, but it's kind of like the same thing to me. So yeah, just wanted to give you those thoughts. It's just what it is. I know some people are extremely bullish and they don't want to hear anything wrong, anything negative about Terra Luna Classic. And well, that's not what you're not gonna find just positivity about Terra Luna Classic here. I'm gonna tell it to you like it is, the way I see it feel. And if I'm wrong, which oftentimes I am, I'll tell you. But in this one, this is gonna take a really long time. These pumps and these dumps happen, but these are not 50x. This is not 100x, 1000x. This is just a little bit of a percentages. 30% is good for today, but it's not gonna really make a big difference in the short term by the end of 2022. Just make sure you understand that. And if you want it, if you like it, don't forget to smash that beautiful like button before you leave, of course. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions. At the end of the day, it's gonna be a nice long-term journey for those who believe, for those who want to see something out of Terra Luna Classic. I'm gonna go ahead and take you here. You know, the community is always really active on this one. Yesterday we had LUNC burn trending, and people are like, whoa, hello there, it's coming up. So I love this, but we need more. We need to get first to 1 trillion. We need a lot of things, and it's slowly but surely seeing Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, I mean, Shiba Inu at this price is Crocoin at this price is 12 cents. It's really very refreshing, and I like it. Will take some time, everybody. But in the meantime, what in the world is this? Tell me in the comments right now. Woo, what a good one, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button. I'll see you next time. Join my Patreon if you want to know more about me and my clan, my team, the community there that's willing to help you in any of your questions. And if you want a bit more money, take a look at the links down below. That's why I have them there. I'll see you next time, guys. Peace.